Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So in today's tutorial we're gonna learn how to make these cool fireworks in After Effects. So as you can see that there is a lot of things going on right now. Each of these is just a duplication of one thing that we are going to create. So let's jump into the tutorial. So I'm gonna start by creating a new composition. And the first thing that I want to do is create a bursting, and I do that by using this polygon tool. Just double click on this polygon tool and then you will get this. Okay, now let's scroll down this polystar one, then open this polystar path one, and we want triangle, so let's set this point to 3. There we go, we have triangle. And now I'm gonna set the outer radius to 100. Doesn't need to be very big. And then I'm gonna open this transform polystar one and then this transform. Now I wanna set the keyframe for position of this polystar path one, and then I wanna set a keyframe for scale of this polystar path 1, and then I also want to set the keyframe for scale of this transform. Okay, so the difference here is that this scale is only covering this polygon and this scale is for the entire layer. Okay, so now I'm just gonna close the layer, hit U to get the keyframes we have created. Okay, now I'm gonna set this position to 0, and now I'm gonna set this scale to like 50 and this 100 to 0, and then I'm gonna set this scale to 0. Now move forward a bit, and then I'm gonna set this position, like this position is gonna go from 0 to 300, and then this scale is gonna go from 50 to 100, 0. Okay, and then this scale is gonna go from 0 to 100. Okay, now let's see. Okay, nice. Now I'm gonna select the keyframes and right click keyframe assistant and then easy ease them. Then I'm gonna go to the graph editor and I'm gonna select the graph and then just adjust them like this. Yes, just adjust the graph like this so that it's starting up fast and then slowing down. Okay, now let's see what that looks like. Nice. You can just move them here if you want this to slow down a bit. Okay, now the next thing we have to do is go to the contents. Let's click on this add and then let's add a repeater. Then let's go into the repeater and then let's say I want to have 12 copies. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have 12 copies, and now I'm gonna open this transform repeater 1 and I'm just gonna set the position to 0. Okay, so now that we have 12 copies, so I'm gonna rotate it like 360 degree, 360 divided by 12. Okay, let's see. Yes. Okay, so we have our first bursting ready. As you can see, that looks great. Okay, so to make it look more nice, I'm just gonna duplicate the layer and then let's see. Okay, now I'm gonna change its repeater properties. Okay, so let's open the content repeater one and let's say I want to have 24 copies now. Okay, and then let's open this transform repeater one, and again 360 divided by 24. Okay, nice. And then I'm just gonna press S for the scale, and I'm just gonna scale it a bit. Okay, nice. Wow, as you can see this. Oh wait, keep your render here, and then okay, let's see. Wow, nice. As you can see, we have our bursting ready. So there's many things that you can do with this. Okay, let's hit U for the keyframes, and I'm just gonna drag this layer here, and then I'm just gonna select this end keyframes and just move them here so that it takes a little bit longer to complete. Nice. And I'm just gonna scale them a bit. Wait, because it's too small. Okay, amazing. Okay, so you don't need the layers to extend, so let's just trim them like this to the last points. Okay, now I'm gonna pre-compose the layers by right click, pre-compose. Okay, and now what I want to do is I'm just going to make some duplicates of the layers. Okay, like this. I'm just gonna make some duplicates so that it looks good. I'm gonna scale them. I'm just gonna make a nice workspace. Okay, let's see. Let's make one more copy. Control D. Okay, so like this, and you can even change their colors as well. Like let's right click and then go to effects, generate, and fill, and let's set the fill to whatever color you want. Like for this I'm gonna set this color, and then for this I'm gonna set some other color. Like yellow or something. Like that's how you can just change their colors and like make a nice workspace or anything that you want. Yep, nice. It's looking great. Now you can do one more thing with them, like just drag them like this, adjust them so that, wow, amazing, that looks even more nicer. Okay, that's great. Okay, so that was it for this tutorial. Here's how you can create a bursting, explosion, or fireworks like things. Hopefully you like this After Effects tutorial. Bye.